Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how you can position the background image using CSS. So I have created a application using Vite, but you don't really need to do that. You can create normal index.html and CSS file. And if I show you my project, I have just added one image, this lake3.webp, inside my public folder because I am using Vite. And here you can see this is my index.html file, and I am referencing the styles.css, and I have one div. Ignore this images for now, we are not really using it. So here I have one div inside my index.html. Now if I go to the CSS, here you can see I have this content. Again, ignore this for now, this is not really necessary. So here I have created a display of flex. I have justify content as center. Then I have this align items, width and height as well, border I have given. Then here I am referencing our background image. Okay, now the important property comes over here. Background repeat is no repeat. For starting I have kept the background size as cover. Now I want to show you this background position property. So if I change it to right, here you can see we can play around with this. You can also add some particular percentage values if you want to, but I think that would be little more advanced. You can play around with this value. I'll just keep it something like this right for now. And if I change this from cover to contain, here you can see I have the image has moved to right. I can also do something like this, center right, and if I remove this, it is only at the center. You can also do something like this, left. You can also do left, center. I mean, this will not really have any effect, but you can pass something like this as well. So yeah, that's what I wanted to show you guys. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.